So hello traders, welcome to the winning team once again. As you can see, we are just continuing from the trades we were doing yesterday. They are still going so fine. It's just only one that is misbehaving over here, but it's also going to come back to line in no time. So today I just want to show you guys using the moving average and RSI. So yesterday we were talking about the RSI and envelope. My dear friends, I just want to show you tonight about how we use the moving average and the RSI. So once again, it's still the same thing, it's still the same procedure. There is really not much. So maybe let me start with the settings. As usual, you just click on your screen and then we come to this point over here. So when you get there, you are going to find the indicators this side. Okay, already, as for me, already I have them here because I was trying the strategy and it's working for me. So right now I would love to take you step by step. So the first thing that we do to put these ones, let me just remove them for your sake. And then so the first thing that we do is that we come on the main chart. So on the main chart, you just press the F function over there and you go to relative strength index. So relative strength index is just this one over here. So once you click relative strength index, you are going to have to fill in exactly as I have done on mine. So we are going to go to period 1, then apply to close, then we're going to use 4 pixel with black, and then please let's just do a little modification on the levels. So let's go to that pencil and then let's make this one 90, then let's make this one 80, and then let's make this one 20. Let's put this one as 10. This one should be 10. Then we've got 5 over there. I would love us to add one more. Yes. Oh, in order for you to add, you just go to that plus sign over there. When you click that plus sign, you're going to see that you are going to get a 0. So I want us to add 50. So and then you're just going to go back and click save. Don't forget to click save, because if you don't, nothing will show on the screen. So now as you can see from my chart, I already have this one now. That is our RSI. So now what I'm going to do is that I want to add the envelope. Once again, we just go in on the indicators, but right now the difference is that we're not going to use the main chart. So now we're going to use the indicator window 1. So you're just going to click the F function there, and then we look for moving average. As you can see, that is our moving average. And please, once again, just make sure you put the settings as I have. So for period, you put 60, shift 0, exponential, close, 2 pixel, and then you click save. Now we can go back to the chart and see what we were talking about. So basically what we were trying to do was to recalibrate our RSI and our moving average. So now this is how it's going to go down. So we wait before you can make any entry or make any analysis based on the RSI. Please make sure that you move the chart sideways so that if price is repenting, it's visible to you. So the first thing that we do is to wait for price to hit the 90 line level, and then we wait for price to close below the 80 line level. After that, what we are going to do is to go up on the chart and look for a bearish engulfing candle, because we want to place a sell entry. So once we see a bearish engulfing candle, we know that really now price has done what, has reversed and is now selling. So can we just zoom in a little bit and check? So let's zoom in and see if we can find a bearish engulfing candle. So after price has hit over here, this is the, or let me just use this one. So price hit the 90 line level and price closed below the 80 line level. So we're just going to go up there and begin to look for a bearish engulfing candle. So as you can see, we had one bearish engulfing candle over here, and then we had another one over there. So you can place your entry like that. So first step is you wait for price to hit the 90 line level. Second step, wait for price to close below the 80 line level. Third step, you look for a bearish engulfing candle. Now maybe for a quick buy entry, this is what we do. We wait for price to hit the 10 line level, and then we wait for price to come and close above the 20 line level, and then we are going to go up there against the chart and look for a bullish engulfing candle. So let's see, we want a bullish engulfing candle in this case. So as you can see, my difference that over here price did hit the 10 line level, and then price came to close above the 20 line level, and then against that you're just going to go up and look for a bullish engulfing candle. As you can see, we had a bullish engulfing candle over here. So that is how we place our entry. That is how simple this one is, my dear friends. I'm just making a small modification from the one I sent you earlier, so you can make that one use the bullish engulfing candle or bearish engulfing candle as your third confirmation. Otherwise, this strategy is very easy to use. Anyone can learn it, I'm telling you, and after implementing it, you will see how amazingly it will be working for you. Maybe still, if for those who don't get it, this is price hitting the 90 line level, and then we've got price over here closing below the 80 line level, and then we wait for price, or we go up now on the chart and we look for a bearish engulfing candle. When we find a bearish engulfing candle, now we know that we can place our sell entry. For instance, as you can see, with our bearish engulfing candle over there, so you can place your entry like that. But as you can see, this is the strategy I've been using for these trades. It are still ongoing. It's really profitable. You guys make sure you subscribe to get more of these strategies, and I will be giving you a video about the funded accounts, how to get your own funded accounts. So I'll be making that video very soon. Otherwise, you can get your own with 10 trade. So I'm going to put the link, so you're going to get the link on my channel, and then you guys can use that link to register and buy your own funded account, because they start from as little as $30. So see you next time. I think we can all see this is just one of the trades I was making earlier. This strategy really works, I'm telling you, this is proof.